guys, I'm going to be making a season appropriate soap today. This is going to be a rain soap and it's going to be so fresh and clean, and it's going to have that petrichor type scent when that rain first hits the earth. Earthy and fresh and green, a little bit of floral, a little bit of citrus, but it's going to smell really, really nice. And for this one, I'm going to be doing swirls of some blacks and some blues and some lighter colors. And I have these embeds that I made. And there's just little raindrops. I had some soap dough for another project, but these are going to be raindrops in there. And then these are some clouds that I had made previously. So those are going to go in there as well. My goal is to have the swirls of the rain stormy colors and then go ahead and place these embeds in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and place the clouds on top. We'll see how the batter behaves. I'm going to be actually mixing 3 different fragrances, and individually they all are very well behaved, but together sometimes things can kind of go a little wonky. So hopefully they'll still be very well behaved. I'm thinking I may divide the batter in half and pour it in just to see how it behaves, because I would like for these to be in there under the clouds. But if it's too thick, I'll have some issues. If it's too thin, then these will kind of just sink. And also I want them to be in this position because I don't want like wonky raindrops. So fingers crossed things will work out okay and I can get everything placed fine. So we are going to stick with kind of that plan, see how it behaves. And yeah, so I'm gonna go get my oils and everything ready to go. We'll come back when it's time to make the soap.